Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Ikuchi here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys, I have to say. It's very slim, very compact, but it's not a small knife. Overall size of this guy is gonna be, let's do it in inches. It's going to be 7.6 inches long and 3.25 inch long blade with a handle of around 4.2 inches. It's sporting a carbon fiber laminated on top of a G10 scale with stainless steel liners which have been milled out, drilled out, let's say. 3.25 inch long satin finish S30V Persian style blade, full belly, non-functional Spidey hole, nice sound actually. It's pretty interesting, the action as well. It's kind of like unique because look at the flipper tab right over here. Pretty lightweight, weighing at 2.1 ounces, guys. This guy is running on phosphorus bronze washer. It's gonna be around $140, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.